Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth product analyses.
Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Ozark Trail, the 6-person 10 feet by 10 feet Connect Tent for Canopy. If you're looking to turn your outdoor space into a comfortable camping retreat, this might just be the perfect addition to your gear. This Ozark Trail Connect Tent is designed to seamlessly convert any 10 feet by 10 feet straight leg canopy into a spacious tent that accommodates up to 6 people. It's crafted with durability and convenience in mind, featuring a sturdy build that sets up in just 10 minutes. Perfect for camping trips or even backyard gatherings, it offers a cathedral ceiling design, providing ample headroom and a spacious interior that fits 2 queen-sized air mattresses. Let's talk features. Firstly, it includes windows on all 4 sides, ensuring excellent cross-ventilation throughout. This is crucial for those warmer days or nights when you need airflow without compromising on privacy. The ePort feature allows easy access for an extension cord, adding to its practicality. Constructed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, the Ozark Trail Connect Tent boasts a robust build that can withstand typical camping conditions. While it does require a canopy frame for support, once set up, it offers a stable structure with a center height of 98 inches, making it comfortable even for taller individuals. The gray color scheme blends well with various outdoor settings, maintaining a sleek and practical appearance. In terms of performance, users have noted its ease of assembly and disassembly, making it a hassle-free option for frequent campers. It's designed as a 23-season tent, meaning it's suitable for spring through fall adventures, providing reliable shelter wherever your outdoor explorations take you. Whether you're camping, hosting a backyard party, or needing extra shelter at a sports event, this tent adapts to various needs with ease. Wrapping up, the Ozark Trail 6-person Connect Tent for Canopy stands out as a versatile and well-designed addition to any outdoor enthusiast's toolkit. With its spacious interior, easy setup, and thoughtful features like windows and an ePort, it offers great value for money. If you're in the market for a reliable canopy tent that converts into a comfortable sleeping space, look no further. Check the link in the description below for more details and current pricing. That concludes our review of the Ozark Trail 6-person 10 feet by 10 feet Connect Tent for Canopy.
If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews and recommendations.
Thanks for watching, and happy adventuring!